Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you all had a good Eid, a fine Eid, enjoyable. You all must have enjoyed your Eid, and I hope you all are safe and fine. All right. The novel that we were doing was Hamlet, and the story that we have done till now, you all must be having the idea of the story. Hamlet is a prince whose father had been murdered by his uncle Claudius, and Hamlet suspected him. But later on, his father's ghost he came and he told the whole truth about the murder to Hamlet, and then Hamlet decided to take revenge from his uncle. And then afterwards what happened that he to get a proof of the whole story of the truth, because he had doubts about the ghost story. He thought maybe the ghost is not a ghost, maybe he's a devil or anything. So he thought that he should have a proof before he goes for revenge. So what happened that he arranged a play, a drama, in which the story it resembled to the story of the murder of story of the murder of the king, so that he wanted to see the expression of the king and queen. Mind it, till now Hamlet believes that this murder of the king was not actually a plan. It was not a plan of Claudius alone. He thought that maybe his mother is also involved in the plan. And then what happened that as Claudius, he also said he thought that maybe he also had this thing in his mind that maybe Hamlet knows about the murder, so he thought that he should kill Hamlet before he kills him. So he planned to send Hamlet to England, and he wrote a letter to the King of England in which he wrote that Hamlet was a dangerous person. So as soon as he reaches England, he should be killed. And who was traveling with Hamlet? Two old friends of Hamlet were traveling, but actually they were working for Claudius. So then what happened that as the journey started, Hamlet searched his friend's room and he found that letter. And as he found that letter, he changed the content. He changed the name, the thing that is written in the letter. And what did he do? He changed, instead of the name, his name Hamlet, he wrote the name of those two old friends, so that the letter said that as soon as they reach England, these two people should be killed as they are dangerous. So that was the thing. And later on, the pirates they attacked their ship, and but Hamlet fought very bravely, and the pirates they took Hamlet back to his own country, Denmark. He came back to Denmark then, and then he wrote a letter to Claudius and Horatio, his best friend. And then, as Horatio came to meet Hamlet at his place where he was living at present, uh, he told everything to Horatio, and they were going back to the palace to see Claudius. They were going back to the king's palace, and on their way, they saw that a grave was being made, and that grave was for a woman who had died a short while ago. So. They were curious when they saw the funeral guest. Funeral means janaza. तो फ्यूनरल के गेस्ट के दरमियान में उन्होंने जब किंग और क्वीन को देखा तो दे बिकेम क्यूरियस. दे वांटेड टू फाइंड आउट दैट whose funeral is it, किसका जनाजा है ये, who has died. And then later on Hamlet came to know that it was Ophelia who had died. And who is Ophelia? Ophelia is a minister's daughter, Polonius's daughter, and Hamlet loved Ophelia. He wanted to marry her. And as he came to know that Ophelia had died, he became very, very sad, very upset, very disappointed. And among the funeral guests, Ophelia's brother was also there, Laertes, and Laertes felt that not only Polonius died because of Hamlet, but Ophelia also died before because of Hamlet. उसे वो समझता है कि उसके फादर और उसकी सिस्टर की मौत का जिम्मेदार जो है वो हेमलेट है, and that is why he is sad as well as angry at the same time. All right, now this is now we have come to the next page, and that is page 65. Page 65 in your novel. All right. On Google Classroom, one or two students, they have commented they do not have this novel. Actually, those students are the new admissions. And this novel, The Merchant of Venice, is a novel which you had when you were in class 6. Ab class 6 में ही आपके पास ये novel था. So you did not need to buy it once again. But those people who are new admission, they are supposed to buy this novel, The Merchant of Venice and The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, both the novels. So actually, there are two novels that are included in the syllabus. So those who do not have them, they should buy it. Okay. Now, page 65. Ophelia had heard that Hamlet had killed her father and she had gone mad. Now they are telling us that what exactly? Zishan Aziz, I don't want to see your video again. All right. So what is the reason of his death? How did she die? ये बताने जा रहे हैं वो हमें. हुआ क्या है? That when Ophelia came to know, जब उसे पता चला that Hamlet had killed her father. And who is her father? Polonius. जब उसे ये पता चला कि हेमलेट ने पोलोनियस को मर्डर कर दिया है, कत्ल कर दिया है, she had gone mad. She became very, very upset. She did not think that Hamlet was such a kind of a person that he could kill someone, and that also her father. So she was very upset. She was very sad, and at the same time disappointed at his behavior. Soon after, she was found drowned in the river. Soon after, जल्द ही, बहुत जल्दी क्या हुआ, इसके चंद दिनों के बाद ही क्या हुआ, she was found drowned. Drowned मतलब डूब जाना, in the river. वो कहाँ पर मिली, लोगों को कहाँ पर मिली, वो दरिया में डूबी हुई मिली. यानी क्या हुआ कि she committed suicide. उसने खुदकुशी कर ली. उसने क्या किया कि दरिया में छलांग लगाकर अपनी जान दे दी. Lettis thought Hamlet was responsible for his sister's death as well as for his father's. Now, what is Lettis feeling at that time? He thought that it was not only his father but also his sister, that they died because of Hamlet only. He thought that Hamlet is responsible for the death of both these people, his sister and his father. The two men fought together in the grave and had to be forced away from each other. And then at the funeral, अब ये जनाजा चल रहा है, तो Lettis and Hamlet, Lettis attacked Hamlet. Lettis ने Hamlet के ऊपर attack कर दिया, and these two men, ये दोनों लोग जो हैं वो आपस में लड़ने लगे, and they had to be forced away, यानी कि उन्हें जबरदस्ती एक दूसरे से अलग किया गया. The funeral ended. ये जो फ्यूनरल की सर्विसेज हैं वो खत्म हो गई, जनाजे का सारा प्रोसेस खत्म हो गया. बट लेटिस वाज डिटर्मिन्ड मींस दैट ही मेड इट सर्टेन इन हिज माइंड. उसने एक बिल्कुल पक्का इरादा कर लिया, लेटिस ने पक्का इरादा कर लिया था दैट देयर वुड सून बी अनदर हेमलेट्स. उसने क्या पक्का इरादा कर लिया था कि बहुत जल्दी एक और फ्यूनरल होगा, एंड दैट वुड बी ऑफ हेमलेट. उसने कहा बहुत जल्दी एक और जनाजा होगा और वो हेमलेट का होगा, बिकॉज ही हैड डिसाइडेड टू टेक रिवेंज ऑफ हिज सिस्टर्स डेथ एंड हिज फादर्स डेथ. द किंग रियलाइज्ड that he could use Letus' anger and sorrow for his own purpose. Now, the king was there, you know. Who is king? Claudius. Claudius वहां पर मौजूद है. उसने लेटस का गुस्सा देखा है, उसने देखा है कि हाउ इज ही फीलिंग. ही इज फीलिंग हेमलेट इज हिज एनिमी. वो हेमलेट पे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा है, बहुत ज्यादा नाराज है, वो उससे बदला लेना चाहता है. Now the Claudius, he thought that he should use his anger. उसने कहा कि उसके गुस्से को वो अपने काम के लिए, अपने मकसद के लिए इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए उसको. The king realized means understand. He came to know, उसे समझ आ गई that he could use, कि वो इस्तेमाल कर सकता है Letus' anger and sorrow. Sorrow means गम, कि वो Letus के anger गुस्सा and sorrow गम, उसके गम और गुस्से को for his own purposes. Purpose मकसद, यानी उसे समझ आ गई कि वो लेटस के गुस्से और गम को अपने मकसद के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. He asked Letus to come to see him alone. So he sent a message to Letus that he wanted to see him. He wanted to meet him. उसने लेटस को ये मैसेज भेजा कि वो उससे मिलना चाहता है, अकेले में मिलना चाहता है. Then he encouraged him to take revenge for the killing of his father. When Letus came to see the king, जब वो उसको मिलने के लिए आया, तो किंग ने क्या किया, क्लॉडियस ने क्या किया, he encouraged, he said that yes, you are right, you should take revenge. उसने उसको बहुत encourage किया, उसका हौसला बढ़ाया, encouraged, हौसला बढ़ाया कि yes, you should take revenge for the killing of your father. He said that your father was murdered. You should take revenge. Yes, you are right. You are very right that you should take revenge of the killing of the murder of your father. Letters did not need much encouragement. लेकिन लेटस को इस सारी encouragement की तो कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. He was already so angry. He was already so determined to take revenge that he did not need any forcement, any encouragement. उसे किसी के जोर करने की, हौसले की, किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं थी. He was already determined about his revenge plan. Okay. Then what happened? I would cut Hamlet's throat in a church if I had to, he shouted. Now what happened? अब देखें, जैसे कि होता है, हम कहते हैं कि मस्जिद अल्लाह ताला का घर है, तो हम कोई भी लड़ाई झगड़ा, खून खराबा, ये कुछ भी मस्जिद का एहतराम होता है, वहां पर ये सब कुछ नहीं होता, वहां ये सब कुछ नहीं किया जाता. मस्जिद में हर किसी को पनाह मिलती है, अमान मिलती है. बिल्कुल उसी तरह से Christians, they do believe that the church, it has a certain kind of respect. चर्च की एक रिस्पेक्ट होती है, एंड चर्च के अंदर कोई लड़ाई झगड़ा और एक दूसरे से कोई भी किसी किस्म का भी अगर आपका कोई भी डिफरेंस है, तो आप चर्च में उसके बारे में कोई झगड़े नहीं करते. ये एक उनका एक रूल है, and the church has to be respected. That is what they believe. So but Letis was very very angry. He had forgotten all the rules. उसे सारे उसने उसूल भुला दिए थे, और वो क्या कह रहा है कि I would cut Hamlet's throat. Throat means गला, कि मैं हेमलेट का गला चर्च में भी काट दूंगा if I had to. अगर मुझे ये भी करना पड़ा तो मैं ये भी कर दूंगा. पता नहीं 31. So he said that उसने कहा कि मैं हेमलेट का थ्रोट जो है वो अगर मुझे ये भी करना पड़ा कि थ्रोट उसका मुझे चर्च में गला काटना पड़ा तो मैं वो भी कर दूंगा. He shouted. He was very angry. The king suggested an idea of his own instead, but the king said that, come on, this is not a good idea. I will give you an idea. I will give you a better idea. यानी कि किंग ने क्या किया, मशवरा दिया एक अपना. ये जो कुछ लेटेस्ट कह रहा है, तो किंग ने कहा उसके बजाय, इंस्टेड का मतलब होता है बजाय, इसके बजाय अपनी तरफ से एक प्लान सजेस्ट किया, बताया, का मशवरा दिया. My plan is for you to challenge Hamlet to a friendly sword fight between yourself and him. Now, what is the plan that Claudius is telling Cleartus? He said that I have made a plan for you. How you should take revenge from Hamlet. कैसे करना चाहिए. उसने कहा आप क्या करो, आप ये करो that you should challenge Hamlet to a friendly sword fight. Now you know we are talking about a time, उस जमाने की बात करें हम, when sword fight means तलवारबाजी. जब तलवारबाजी एक ट्रेडिशन होता था उस जमाने में, जैसे आजकल मुख्तलिफ गेम्स खेले जाते हैं, उसी तरह से स्वॉर्ड फाइट वाज अ गेम. इट वाज प्लेड लाइक अ गेम. ये होती थी, एंड एवरीवन, गुड पीपल, नोबल पीपल, दे ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू टेक ट्रेनिंग ऑफ दीज स्वॉर्ड फाइट्स. ये सब ये होता था. So he said, but those sword fights, they were friendly minded. Friendly यानी उन sword fights का मतलब ये नहीं होता था कि वो दो लोग जो sword fight कर रहे हैं उनमें से एक जब मर जाएगा तब fight खत्म होगी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता था. They were friendly fights. उसमें किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचता था, कोई चोट नहीं लगती थी, ना ही किसी की जान जाती थी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता था. They were friendly fights between yourself and him. He said that you should send a message to Hamlet. Hamlet को एक मैसेज भेजो जिसमें कि तुम उसको चैलेंज करो एक स्वॉर्ड फाइट कि एक फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट चलो तुम्हारे और मेरे दरमियान हो जाए. ड्यूरिंग द फाइट यू विल यूज अ स्वॉर्ड विद अ शार्प पॉइंट, नॉट द ब्लंट स्वॉर्ड यूजुअली यूज्ड इन फ्रेंडली मैचेस. अच्छा, अब ये जो फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट्स होती थी, इसमें क्या होता था कि जो स्वॉर्ड्स यूज की जाती थी, तलवारें जो इस्तेमाल की जाती थी, वो शार्प वाली स्वॉर्ड्स नहीं होती थी, बल्कि कौन सी वाली होती थी? ब्लंट स्वॉर्ड्स होती थी. ब्लंट मींस द वंस दैट आर नॉट शार्प, जो तेज नहीं होती, जो कुंद होती हैं, जिससे किसी को कोई चोट नहीं लग सकती, उस तरह की स्वॉर्ड्स यूज की जाती थी इस तरह की फाइट्स में, बिकॉज दे वर फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट्स. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लॉडियस प्लान, क्लॉडियस ने क्या प्लान बनाया है कि वैसे तो तुम उसे एक फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट का चैलेंज दोगे, लेकिन उस फाइट के दौरान यू विल यूज अ स्वॉर्ड, तुम एक ऐसी स्वॉर्ड यूज करोगे विच वुड हैव अ शार्प पॉइंट, जो कि तेज, जिसकी धार होगी. अब्दुल्ला हसीब, आई डोंट वांट टू सी अ वीडियो बेटे. तुम एक ऐसी स्वॉर्ड यूज करोगे जिसका पॉइंट जो शार्प होगी, नॉट द, और बल्कि ब्लंट नहीं यूज करोगे. ओके अब्दुल्ला हसीब, आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द क्लास. सो ही सेड दैट मैं क्या करूंगा, आप क्या करोगे कि यू विल यूज अ शार्प एंड पॉइंटेड स्वॉर्ड, एक शार्प और पॉइंटेड स्वॉर्ड यूज करोगे, ब्लंट नहीं करोगे, जो कि आम तौर पर इस्तेमाल की जाती है फ्रेंडली मैचेस में. A good plan indeed, my lord, and to make quite certain that Hamlet dies when he is hit, let's put poison on my sword, cried Laertes. Now Laertes really liked the idea. उसे ये आइडिया बहुत पसंद आया. उसने क्या कहा? अ गुड प्लान इंडीड. इंडीड मीन्स हकीकत में, यकीनन, यानी कि ये एक माय लॉर्ड, यानी कि किंग को इस तरह से, मेरे आका, ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लान है. एंड टू मेक क्वाइट सर्टन दैट हेमलेट डाइज व्हेन ही इज हिट, और सर्टन मीन्स टू मेक श्योर, क्वाइट सर्टन, सर्टन मीन्स श्योर, इस बात को मजीद यकीनी बनाने के लिए कि जैसे ही तलवार जो है, जैसे ही स्वॉर्ड जो है वो हेमलेट को हिट करती है, हेमलेट मर जाता है. इस बात को यकीनी बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? लेट्स पुट पॉइजन ऑन माई स्वॉर्ड, कि मैं अपनी स्वॉर्ड के ऊपर आई विल अप्लाई सम पॉइजन ऑन माई स्वॉर्ड, यानी जहर अपनी स्वॉर्ड में मैं लगा लूंगा. cried Laertes. The king was pleased with this. Pleased means happy. So king was very happy that Laertes was so determined to take revenge. वो वाकई में हेमलेट को कत्ल कर देना चाहता है. किंग इस बात पे बहुत खुश है. We must think hard about how to carry it out. Think hard means यानी इस पे गौर और फिक्र करना चाहिए, अच्छे तरीके से इसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए, किस तरह अपने प्लान के बारे में, so that हमारा प्लान जो है वो फेल नहीं होना चाहिए. You will have only this one chance to kill Hamlet. He said this is the only chance that you are getting to kill Hamlet. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि तुम इस चांस में, इस बारी में अगर तुम नाकाम हो जाते हो, if you fail to kill Hamlet, then you will not get another chance for that. So you should have a second plan in case the first one fails. So अब उन्होंने कहा कि you should have a backup plan. यानी अगर ये तुम्हारा पॉइजन स्वॉर्ड वाली बात, ये वाला प्लान अगर तुम्हारा किसी भी तरीके से, तुम्हारी स्वॉर्ड टूट जाती है, कुछ भी हो जाता है, कोई भी वजह से अगर ये वाला प्लान फेल हो जाता है, तो यू शुड हैव अ बैकअप प्लान. और वो क्या, यानी तुम्हारे पास माइंड में एक और चीज होनी चाहिए कि अगर स्वॉर्ड वाली चीज नहीं चलती तो वहां पर कुछ और भी तुम्हारे पास ऐसा हो कि तुम ऐसा, हेमलेट को बचना नहीं चाहिए. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द बैकअप प्लान? This shall be it. And Claudius is telling another plan with it. वो उसको उसके साथ second plan भी बता रहा है. वो क्या बता रहा है? I will have 2 bowls of wine near me on the table. He said that. अच्छा, ये भी, this is also one of the traditions at that time, that whenever somebody is going for a match or a competition or anything or an exam, they wish him good luck. उनको good luck wish करने का एक तरीका उनका क्या होता था, दैट दे यूज टू ऑफर वाइन, वाइन के बॉल्स उनको ऑफर किए जाते हैं, सो दैट to wish good luck to the person who is going for a competition. जब भी कोई इंसान किसी competition के लिए जा रहा होता है, उसे good luck wish करने के लिए वाइन के बॉल्स ऑफर किए जाते हैं. उसने कहा क्लॉडियस ने कि मैं जहां पर बैठा हूंगा, ऑन माई टेबल आई विल कीप 2 balls ऑफ वाइन. अपने टेबल पे मैं वाइन के 2 balls रख लूंगा. One will contain poison. Out of 2 balls I will have, one of the ball will have poisoned wine. दोनों में वाइन होगी लेकिन एक में पॉइजन मिक्स हुआ होगा. I will wish Hamlet success in the match by drinking from one bowl. तो क्या होगा? I will wish good luck to Hamlet. मैं हेमलेट को गुड लक विश करूंगा. किस तरह कि मैं अपने एक बाउल से वाइन पीऊंगा, बट देन आई विल गिव हिम द अदर वन टू ड्रिंक, एंड आई विल गिव द सेकंड बाउल ऑफ वाइन टू हेमलेट टू ड्रिंक इट, so that I am wishing him success in the match. That way he is sure to die. उसने कहा अब वो जो दूसरा बाउल होगा वो कौन सा होगा? That will be poisoned wine. वो कौन सा होगा? उसमें poisoned wine होगी, वो मैं उसको दे दूंगा. ठीक है. एंड ये वो तरीका होगा जिसकी वजह से उसकी मौत यकीनी हो जाएगी. अब वो लाजमी, अगर इस तरह नहीं तो उस तरह वो यकीनन मर जाएगा. आइदर बाय पॉइजन स्वॉर्ड, या तो आइदर यानी कि या तो वो पॉइजन स्वॉर्ड से मर जाएगा, और फ्रॉम द पॉइजन वाइन, और इफ ही एस्केप्स फ्रॉम द पॉइजन स्वॉर्ड, अगर वो किस तरह बच निकलता है, पॉइजन स्वॉर्ड से बच जाता है, then he'll die from because of the poisoned wine. Then he will drink the wine that is having poison mixed in it. तो उससे मर जाएगा. Polonius and Ophelia, मेरे लॉकर में. Okay. All right, Polonius and Ophelia, sleep peacefully. You will have your revenge, shouted Laertes. अब क्या हुआ कि Polonius और Ophelia, now what is Laertes saying? He's shouting to himself, talking to himself. वो किससे बात कर रहा है? Polonius means his father and Ophelia means his sister. He said, sleep peacefully. It means that I am going to take your revenge. मैं तुम्हारा बदला लेने जा रहा हूँ. So now you will get peace. Now you will go straight to heaven and you will be peaceful in heaven. You will have your revenge because he was going to take their revenge. And I will be safe at last, thought Claudius. और Claudius क्या सोच रहा है? कि after all the things and all the excitement, I will be safe. यानी वो वाहिद एक आदमी जो जानता है कि मैंने क्या किया है, जब वो मर जाएगा, then I will be safe. I will not be in danger anymore. Okay. Now the last chapter. Okay. The last chapter, page 66. The truth is known. Hamlet agreed quite happily to take part in the fighting match. Now, as what happens that Laertes sends a message. He challenges Hamlet to this friendly sword fight. उसको एक challenge भिजवाता है वो कि हम एक friendly sword fight करते हैं. So Hamlet accepts the offer. वो offer को accept कर लेता है, वो agree करता है कि हाँ ठीक है. He was eager to test his skill as he had been practicing. Eager means बेचैन. Eager means बेचैन. वो बहुत ही बेचैन है. किस बात के लिए? To test his skill. Skill means expertise, talent. वो अपना जो स्वॉर्ड फाइट की प्रैक्टिसिंग वो करता रहा है बहुत अरसे से, उसके लिए उसको स्किल को, उस अपने टैलेंट को चेक करने के लिए ही इज ईगर, ही इज कीन. ही रियली वांटेड टू नो कि वेदर ही इज एक्सपर्ट इन स्वॉर्ड फाइट और नॉट. वो ये मालूम करना चाहता है. मुजम्मिल खान, आई डोंट वांट टू सी योर वीडियो वंस अगेन. Because he had been practicing. Remember, शुरू में हमने एक चीज पढ़ी थी that Hamlet was a very nice person. He did not like fighting at all. उसे बिल्कुल fighting का शौक नहीं था. लेकिन अब, after his father's death, his life was totally changed. And because his life was changed, he had been practicing sword fight also. वो स्वॉर्ड फाइट की प्रैक्टिस भी करता रहा था. The queen and all the noblemen gathered to watch the fight, and because it was a tradition, तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक होता था इन लोगों का. तो what happened, everyone gathered, all the noblemen, यानी जो अमीर, वजीर, lords and ministers, they gathered and uh, to watch the fight. वहां से ड्रॉ के बाद first second. Okay. So then what happened, that all the noblemen and the queen, they gathered to watch the fight. Before it began, Hamlet spoke quietly to Laertes. Now, before the fight began, what happened, that Hamlet wanted to talk to Laertes. He wanted to say few things to Laertes. वो Laertes से बात करना चाहता था. उसने उससे क्या बात की? बहुत ही खामोशी से, आहिस्ता आवाज में, softly. What did he say? I'm so sorry for the unhappiness I have caused you. He's apologizing. वो माफी मांग रहा है. किस बात की माफी मांग रहा है? That because of Hamlet, he said, कि because of me, मेरी वजह से, you have got so much unhappiness. I have made you very sad because Polonius को तो after all Hamlet killed Polonius. So he is apologizing for everything that has happened to Laertes' family because of Hamlet. उसने कहा कि मुझे नहीं पता, बट मेरी वजह से आपको जितने भी दुख पहुंचे हैं या मेरी वजह से आपको जो भी नुकसान हुए, आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर एवरीथिंग. बिलीव मी, I never wanted to hurt you. He said that it was not my plan. I never wanted to do it. I had no intention to do it. मैं बिल्कुल, मेरा ऐसा कोई इरादा ही नहीं था कि मैं आपको दुख पहुंचाऊं. I love you like a brother because I feel you like my own brother. मैं बिल्कुल आपको इस तरह से प्यार करता हूँ जैसे कि मेरे अपने भाई की तरह. Letus looked into Hamlet's eyes and suddenly felt very sorry for what he was going to do. Now, at this moment, when Hamlet is saying these things very softly to Laertes at this time, because Laertes knows that what is he going to do. उसे पता है वो क्या करने जा रहा है. So when Hamlet apologizes for all these things, he looked into Hamlet's eyes, and he looked at Hamlet, and he felt that Hamlet was not, he was not telling a lie. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. वो वाकई में उसका ऐसा इरादा तो नहीं था कि वो इनको नुकसान पहुंचाए. लेटिस से उसको क्या दुश्मनी हो सकती. तो but Letus knows that he was going to kill Hamlet. उसे पता था कि वो उसको चीट करने जा रहा है, उसके साथ धोखा करने वाला है. So he felt very sorry for what he was going to do. For a moment he thought that it was not good. What he was going to do was not good. उसे एक मिनट के लिए लगा कि जो वो हेमलेट के साथ करने लगा है वो ठीक नहीं है. He thanked Hamlet for his kind words and they shook hands. So Letus shook hand with Hamlet. उसने उसे हाथ मिलाया and he said thanks to him, and he said that whatever you said, thank you very much for that. The fight began. Now the fight began. वो fight शुरू हो गई. At first Hamlet seemed to be winning. शुरू में ऐसा लगा that Hamlet was winning. That Hamlet का जिसको कहते हैं कि उसका पल्ला भारी था. Yani he was in a better condition. He was in a strong position. He hit Laertes with his sword, but of course Hamlet's sword was blunt, so Laertes wasn't hurt. अब क्या हुआ है कि स्वॉर्ड फाइट में आपने अपनी स्वॉर्ड से दूसरे बंदे को हिट करना होता है. उसने लेटिस को कई मरतबा अपनी स्वॉर्ड से हिट किया, बट हिज स्वॉर्ड वाज ब्लंट एज अ रूल ऑफ स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग. हेमलेट की स्वॉर्ड तो ब्लंट थी जैसे कि स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग में होती थी, बिल्कुल वैसी थी. हालांकि उसने लेटिस को कई मरतबा अपनी स्वॉर्ड से हिट किया, बट लेटिस did not get any injury. उसको कोई भी इंजरी नहीं हुई, बिल्कुल भी वो उसको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा. When they stopped to rest, Claudius urged Hamlet to take a drink of wine. Now, a break came into fight. Fight के दरमियान में एक break आ जाती है. और Claudius urged means forced. He asked, उसने कहा, Claudius ने कहा किसको, Hamlet को, and he wished him good luck. He said that you should drink a little wine so that will give you energy and that will help you in the rest of the fight. So what did Claudius want to do? He wanted Hamlet to drink the poisoned wine. That was the only thing. वो सिर्फ ये चाहता था कि ये poisoned wine बस किस तरह पी ले. Come on, dear prince, he said. I will drink to your health. Take this bowl and drink to mine. What did he say? कि come on prince, I wish you good luck. मैं आपको good luck wish करता हूँ. I will drink from my bowl and I wish you good luck, good health, and now you take this bowl and you drink and wish me good luck and good health. I will drink later when the match is over, replied Hamlet, and put down the poisoned bowl. But Hamlet did not take the bowl. उसने ये bowl नहीं लिया, poison wine का bowl नहीं लिया. और उसने क्या किया? उसने कहा कि I will drink wine only when the fight will finish, when the match will be over. Only then I will take this bowl of wine. The fight began again. The fight began दोबारा से. After the break, it started. It resumed once again. The two men fought hard. Fought hard means ज़्यादा उनकी लड़ाई में और भी तेजी आ गई. Hamlet was becoming tired, and now, in the second half of the fight, Hamlet was feeling tired, a little tired. In the first half, he was very, very uh, energetic, and it seemed that he was winning. So, but now in the second half, he was feeling tired. Lettuce almost hit him again and again. And because he was feeling tired, Lettuce was hitting him again and again. Claudius was so excited, he could hardly breathe. And Claudius was very excited because he thought that as soon as Lettuce sword hits Hamlet, जैसे ही Lettuce की sword Hamlet को hit करती है, हेमलेट को छोटी सी भी इंजरी आ जाती है, he will die because there was poison on Lettuce's sword and the sword is sharp of course. In a moment it would all be over. और क्लॉडियस क्या सोच रहा है कि चंद मिनटों की बात है, चंद लम्हों की बात है, क्या होगा? It would all be over. That all my problems and all my difficulties and all my worries, they will be over. मेरी सारी परेशानियां, सारे मसले चंद मिनटों में खत्म होने वाले हैं. He was watching the fight so carefully that he did not notice Gertrude get up from where she was sitting beside him. Now he was so involved in the fight. Claudius जो है वो इतने ध्यान से फाइट देख रहा है कि उसे ये पता ही नहीं चला कि उसके बराबर में क्वीन बैठी है और वो उठकर खड़ी हो गई. Then Lettuce was hit again. Okay. Then Hamlet hit Lettuce once again. The king quickly turned to Gertrude, but she was standing close to Hamlet. And this time, the king, Claudius, he turned to Gertrude. He looked at the queen, but he saw that the queen was not there sitting with her. She was standing close to Hamlet. She was standing with Hamlet. Hamlet, take my handkerchief and wipe your face. I drink to your victory, she said, and picked up the poison bowl. And because she is the mother, she's a mother. She loved Hamlet very much. She said that you are having your face is sweating, बहुत पसीना आ रहा है तुम्हें, तो Hamlet, take my handkerchief, you should take my handkerchief and wipe your face, clean your face, and I drink to your victory. Victory means fatah, jeet. I drink to your victory, it means that I wish you success in the match. मैं विश करती हूँ कि तुम इस मैच में जीत जाओ. She said and picked up the poison bowl. और उसने क्या किया? उसने ये कहा, and she picked up the second bowl because एक बाउल से तो क्लॉडियस ने ऑलरेडी वाइन पी ली हुई है, अब सिर्फ पॉइजन बाउल बचा हुआ है वहां टेबल पर. So she picked up the poison bowl and she drank the poisoned wine. Come on students, put a date over here. Today is August 5. यहाँ पर आज की डेट डाल लें. Tomorrow inshallah we will complete our novel, and along with that we will do the MCQs of this novel, and that will be a test. That is going to be a test. You can check the MCQs that are there in your workbook, English literature workbook. उसके अंदर आप Hamlet के MCQs देख लें. I'm going to give you a test tomorrow after we finish the novel, and you will answer me, you will give me the answers of all the things. Thank you very much. Today we finished with the class till here. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.